Trainer Emily here, and this is Eden. Welcome to Training Tip Tuesday. This week we're going to kick off our two-part series on stress, recognizing signs of stress in your pet and what to do about it when you see it. As many people know, holidays can be a stressful time for people, but with pets we don't always think about the fact that they experience a lot of stress with changes in environment and the busyness of the holidays. Ways to recognize that your pet might be stressed include panting, pacing, avoiding interaction, trying to hide in some cases, not eating or eating very little, avoiding food. All those signs can sometimes indicate stress. Other things that I look for when I look for possibly stressed animals is animals doing things that seem out of context. So for instance, the dog yawning, but he's not tired, or shaking off, but he's not wet. Another common one I see is licking their lips, but they're not eating anything or haven't eaten anything. Come here, Eden. Also look for wrinkles around the face. A lot of dogs will become very wrinkly when they're stressed, and that's a pretty good, reliable way to tell that they're stressed. Lastly, one of the neat, unique features of dogs is the only place on their body that they have functional sweat glands is between their paw pads. And when they get stressed out, they'll often leave paw prints even though they haven't been walking through a puddle. So do keep an eye out for those types of signs, as well as just your dog not behaving normally. Sometimes the first sign that your dog is stressed is simply an abnormal not wanting to interact, or in some rare cases, some dogs get really excited when they're stressed and they look like they're strangely overly happy, but it's a unique manifestation of stress. Watch out for those signs. Keep an eye out for your dog, and once you see signs of stress, then you can start doing something about it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next week.